I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day for Wednesday, April 13th. Well, I gotta say, the Dark Pool Levi's, those late prints, were very, very light yesterday. We barely had anything on the SPY, but we are currently below massive dark pool levels right now, right? We started with that 458.61. We're below this 445.86. That's a 16 million. That was a 20 million. And then all three of these guys, all right? So that is, yeah, that is bearish if we stay below, especially these last three. Those are the levels I was watching. Also, 438.37 just below us. Watch that level. That was an 18.5 million. All right, so today for the day trade, we are going to be bullish above 441 and bearish below 439, and we already went through and hit our first target. So next level to enter, bear below 438.50. All right, watch for that next test of that level. Let's head on over to the IWM. All right, IWM bullish above 250 cents. Bear below 197.50. We did not go below that yet. Came close, but no cigar. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 342.50 and bear below 340. We came close, almost a 16th shy of that. So, yep, that's still live. Let's head on over to the futures. Start with the the E minis. Bullish above 44.25, bear below 4,400. We've already gone below that, and we did hit our first target. So watch that 95 level, even 92.50. All right, that would be my next entry, 43.92.50 if we go below that. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 14,100 and bear below 13,975. And yeah, it looks like we are testing those levels right now. Let's check out oil. Oil is super strong this morning. Great trades yesterday on this sector. Put a lot of oil stocks in there. And, you know, it's trading really well off these Camarilla pivots. Check this out. It's like a staircase, and they really are being used as resistance and support right now. So we're going to be bullish above 102.25. That was my level. However, we've already gone up and hit a couple of targets. I'm just looking at the next major level, 103.50. If we could break above this R1, then we can get another big move in oil. Bear below 101.50. If we do break below this Camarilla, there's a short trade right down there. So we'll see. Yeah, see which direction. Lots of news coming out this morning to move it along. So let's go to the gold futures. Bullish above 1987.50. Yeah, if we can break above this Camarilla, there's a lot of room to go for gold. It's up really nicely this morning. Bear below 1973. And you can see how well it's been trading off these pivots as well. Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures. They're really not doing too much this morning. Just kind of going sideways on person's pivot. We're going to be bullish above 40,750. I went up high. There's a lot of moving averages on the daily chart. They're below 39,600. All right, let's get to earnings. JP Morgan, first bank to report. I don't care what the earnings were. I don't know. They could be bullish, could be bearish. Who cares? Let's just trade it. All right, that is the most important thing. We'll be bullish above 133, bear below 129, and you can see it's already had a pretty big move down. Hopefully some of you caught this pre-earnings, pre-market momentum. If not, right? We talked about this at the closing bell yesterday in the dark pool upper. What do you do if it goes below these levels? Well, you find the next level to enter, right? So 127 or 126.50. All right, there's the next two levels to enter on the short side. If we look at the weekly chart, which I do, it looks like we're headed for the 200 simple moving average, the jelly on the weekly chart right here. It's about 125 area. All right, we've already gone down and bounced off the 200 exponential. So the next one is that 200. We do have a lot of banks reporting in the next couple days and next week. So we'll see. And we've had tons of dark pool activity on various banks. So Delta also reported earnings, and they like it. Will it be a gap and go higher or a pop and drop? Watch this 15 exponential moving average. It's the dashed blue line on my chart. After the first 15 minutes, if it can stay above that, it's usually a gap and go higher. If not, it's usually a pop and drop. But I've given you levels bullish above 41.50, bear below 40.50 for a retrace trade. Let's head on over to XLE. Energy ETF, 80 is a big level, bullish above 80.01, and bear below 78.50 for XLE. AMD had lots of volume pre-market, lots of dark pool activities been coming in. Remember that big print we saw at 114.50? Selling, right? So we're going to be bullish above 97.25 today for a retrace. Bear below 95. 95 is a big price level. PayPal not doing so well this morning, down about 3.3%. We're going to be bullish above 105.51 for a retrace, and we're going to be bear below 103. And Twitter. All right, what is the bird been up to? Well, we're going to be bullish above 45.75. Bear below 44.50. Facebook also looking good for a day trade today. Lots of pre-market volume. We have come down to that 30 simple moving average. So yeah, expect some buyers to come in, which they did. However, if we go below that, bear below 211.50 and bullish above 217 for a pushback. Maybe the 8 EMA might retrace up to there. We'll see. GDX looks good today, though. The sky is clear. Above 40.50. We'll see if she could break above that or bear below 39.50 for a retrace, possibly down to the 8 EMA. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for April 13th. If you missed the closing bell yesterday, the recording is in the file in the Dark Pool Interactive Room. Go ahead and check that out. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.